1971 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 383 stroker underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes. Take a close up of the front grille, bumper, headlight surrounds. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the paint practically looks wet on the hood. 507-386-1726 is where you can call in, talk to a sales associate. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out the still pictures. Want to see the engine bay, undersides, interior. Riding on American Racing, polished 5-spoke wheels. We'll go ahead and take a look down the passenger side. See that the panels are nice and straight, and again, the paint shows well. Not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, this one definitely shows well. Black vinyl. Bench seat up front. Shifter on the column. Aftermarket stereo and gauges under the dash. We'll take a little closer look at that when we get around to the driver's side. Start it up. Let you hear it run. Check out the engine bay. First, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Let's take a look at the rear chrome on the bumper. It does have a power top. We're going to also run up the top at the end of this video so we can check that out. And you'll be able to see pictures with the top up and the top down at UniqueClassicCars.com. Just click on that link down below the video. If you're watching this on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. So we look down the driver's side again. Paint appears to be wet. And really, again, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Seat belts are intact. Front and rear. Door panels. Good shape, and of course the seat free of rips, tears, holes. Let's go ahead and fire this up. See the aftermarket auto gauge. Auto gauge, I should say. Tack. Definitely sounds healthy. As you can see, tachometer is working. The Sony aftermarket stereo does work, AM, FM, CD. Temp gauge and oil pressure. That was a cold start, so I would expect that to be up. As far as the temp gauge, dash, also good shape. We'll let this warm up just a tad here. The 383 will idle a little better once it's warm. Door closes nicely. There's a nice sounding car. This one will turn some heads the way it sounds and the way it looks. Alright, let's get the hood open on this one. Check out that engine bay. We'll put the top up after that. Wrap up this video. Get a look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. And here's that engine bay. Again, 383 stroker. Power steering, power brakes. Looks like an Edelbrock RPM. In shape, alright. 4-barrel car. Headers. HEI ignition. Optima battery with a battery disconnect. Good looking engine bay. I'm going to pause this a second. We'll get the convertible top up. We'll check that out. Here it is with the top up. So black vinyl top. It is a power top. Functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Condition of it appears to not be that old. I don't see any rips, tears, holes so far. rear glass. Slip around, check out the passenger side here. Also in nice shape. And again, nice tight fit above the windshield. Got just a few wrinkles in it from being folded up. Comes out, goes out in the sun. Those will come right out. 1971 Chevrolet Malibu, Chevelle Malibu convertible. 383 underneath the hood. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. Maybe extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in, which you can do at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1971 Chevrolet Malibu. Beautiful condition, paint red with black stripes. This is an automatic on the column, so it's very easy to drive. We do have an aftermarket tack mounted to the column. Very good acceleration in this car, strong running engine. We have a Sony aftermarket radio in the dash. Under the dash we have a temperature gauge reading about 140, still warming up. Oil PSI is 40 right now. The blower motor does work, as do the wipers. If I'm heading straight down the road, let go of the wheel. She stays nice and straight in the lane. Very good power steering in this car. This is a convertible. The top is currently up to reduce wind noise for the video, but wind noise is not very much at all with the top up. Nice quiet ride. Handles good in the corner, doesn't lean much. Let's hit that throttle one more time. Just pulls stronger the more RPMs you get. Lots of power from this Chevelle. Check it out. 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu at uniqueclassiccars.com.